Given that the cost of producing X items in a factory each day is given by C of X is equal to 0.00013 x power 3 plus 0.002 x square plus 5x plus 2200. We need to find the marginal cost when 150 items are produced. So we know that the marginal cost is change in production, change in the production cost with respect to the number of items produced. So here it is given production cost as C and the number of items is X. So which means we need to find dC by dx when 150 items are produced, that is X is equal to 150. So we need to find this. Let's differentiate the function C. So given C of X is equal to 0.00013 x cube plus 0.002 x square plus 5x plus 2200, and now differentiating C dash of X, that is dC by dx is equal to, so here we can write 3x square differentiation of x power 3, so 0.00039 x square, and here x square differentiation 2x, so 0.004x, and differentiation of x is 1, so 5 plus 2000, differentiation of constant is 0, which is equal to, and now we need to find at 150 items, so C dash of 150 is equal to 0.00039 into 150 square plus 0.004 into 150 plus 5, and after simplification and calculation you will get 8.775, and here 0.6 and 5, so adding you will be getting 14.375. So we can go with an answer. The marginal cost is nothing but rupees 14.375. This is the answer.